Hi, hello, and welcome back to Roralie. Today we're going to do a DIY Lego birthday party. Let's start by making the bunting. A Lego themed party should be filled with fun, bright colors. So that's why today I'm using bright board paper, double-sided tape, scissors, and rope to tie my bunting. I want my bunting to be nice and big and visible, so I'm using a full sheet, cut it in half. And then for another sheet, I use circle stencils, cut them out just like that with a snap of the finger. I placed each dot onto each half sheet to create a Lego effect with the double-sided tape. And then I added one letter per Lego, also with double-sided tape. And this created my name bunting that I use as the backdrop behind the kids' table. And then I had a few extra plain ones with just the Lego effect that I used as the bunting. Next up is the kids' party boxes. For these boxes, I used white cardboard, double-sided tape, scissors, and then I got these fun flat pack boxes from the store in a few different colors. I found this Lego font on Canva in the graphics section. I had to place each letter separately and just adjust the spacing, and there we've got our name. And no, it wasn't as easy as snapping the fingers. I actually cut each one out by hand neatly around the edges. And then I placed everything onto the box using my double-sided tape. I got this Lego pictures from Canva as well, and there we have our pretty little box with the name on. Now fill your box with extra treats, party favors, or a juicer and water. Speaking of treats, Lego treat ideas are endless. So today I'm only going to show you what I did for the toppers of my cake and my cupcakes with a few other treat ideas. For the cupcakes I used a colourful cupcake wrapper, and then for the toppings I've got melted chocolate, powdered food colouring, and then I got these cute little silicone molds for the Legos. I took 3 bowls, melted the white chocolate, and then added my colouring and placed it into my molds, left it to set. I placed 2 to 3 Legos on each cupcake, and then I just decorated it with a little bit of hundreds and thousands or some colourful sprinkles. For the cake I used a basic sponge cake recipe. If you have an awesome recipe that you want to share, please send me a message and I will do it in my next tutorial. I iced the cake in bright yellow icing, and then I just added a few blocks of the chocolate Legos and a few sprinkles. Rice Krispie treats, another kid's favorite. Just cover it with some icing and add a few Smarties just to give you that Lego effect. You can use the same effect with chocolate brownies, cookies, or cake. And then finally, add a few colourful sweets to your table and a few more colourful balloons, and there you have the perfect Lego themed party. Thank you for joining in on another project. Hope we see you next time.